Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very different unboxing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla, and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so I picked up this very different item, which I have right here. I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm kind of excited and anxious to see what it is because the box is really light, so it's definitely already not what I was expecting. But let's see what's in this box. So I picked this item up from Browns. This is just the receipt. This came in the package. It's a cute little Browns shopping bag. And then this is the item. It's in this cute little Browns dust bag. And oh my goodness. This is the item. I think it's pronounced JACQUEMUS. JACQUEMUS. If you know how to pronounce this, please let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, this is the dust bag. It's a little bit small. I'm kind of scared to see what's in here. This is tiny. It's tiny. It's a little bracelet bag. I'm like shocked at how small this thing is. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. Oh my God, guys, it's so small. It's packed with tissue paper. Literally packed with tissue paper. Oh my God, I'm not even sure what would even fit in here. It's so small. It's cute, but it's just so small. But you know what? It's okay. It's actually really cute. Like cute. It's in this black leather with the gold letters. It has this closure right here, which is also in gold. Like I showed you, it's really tiny inside. Like I said, it is a bracelet bag, so this is where you would put it on your wrist. It has this gold buckle right here. And this is how it looks. It's actually really cute. Like, I would probably wear it to the side. I don't know. I know some people use this as an anklet as well, like an ankle bracelet bag, I think is what you would call it. I don't know. To me, it looks like one of those little devices that people wear when they're on house arrest. So I'm not sure if I would wear it that way, but I do actually kind of like it as a bracelet bag. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. So cute. Like, it's just so tiny. I would probably find a way to also put this on my belt, like a little cute little belt bag. But yeah, guys, I guess there's not much to this bag. It's so small. Definitely not what I was expecting, but I'm not gonna say I hate it. Like, it's small, but I actually like it. It's really cute. I could probably fit like a couple of dollars in here. Can't really fit a card or anything. A couple of dollars, some coins, not much. This is not like your practical bag. This is definitely just for style. This is just for style, just for show. Not practical at all, not in the slightest. I do want to share with you guys the price. Like I mentioned, I picked this up from Browns. So the price of this item is written in pounds. It's 204 pounds and 17, I don't think it's cents, but 204.17 pounds. And yeah, let me know what you think about this bag in the comment section down below. Like I said, I know it's tiny. I know it's not your most practical bag, but it's so cute. Like, let me know in the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to count your blessings and be grateful. Also remember to subscribe down below. Until next time.